Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, wassalatu wassalamu ala mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. Nama bakal. Okay, in this section, I want to make a video tutorial about files, but about the MAC address filtering. What is MAC address filtering? MAC address filtering is a feature to protect your Wi-Fi or network from a unknown device. Each device has a unique code called MAC address, so you can create a list of which device can or cannot or connect. It works like this. First, you create a list of MAC address that are allowed, whitelist, or blocked blacklist. Second, when a device wants to enter, the root check its MAC address. If one it is on the whitelist, it can enter. If it's on the blacklist, it immediately rejected. But be careful, the address can be spotted out, so it's not the most secure way to combine with other security features. And MAC address filtering gets two: when address filtering access list and a connect list. MAC address filtering access list is the wireless access list. Here, MAC address filtering the wireless method to stable to the access list, and then can for the MAC address filter, just the which MAC address allowed to connect or not to a bridge. This, but the bridge you want to connect. Right. Then second, signal limit. Set the signal strength for of the device you want to filter, so only this the criteria can connect. This one. You can set up how to signal strength to you, and then the third is bandwidth manage. Can manage bandwidth allocation for device, especially if you use router OS. This one in hypertext limits and client text limit bandwidth, and you can click authentication forwarding. Then you can apply it. And then the second is connect list. Connect list in the wireless connect list to the manual connect list. Use the German which access point can or cannot be connected to the device station. For the access list, you can list the MAC address of the device you want to allow or block. Okay, main feature of unless you connect list. Add security profile. This one. Add new. You can make a add an interface. This can cause this is higher cloud, and then you can uh, first is add security profile. You can use the previously created security profile to set up and connect to the app. And then second is allow the connection. Set whether or not certain MAC address can connect to the app. Then the third is SSID. Set the SSID of the IP you want to connect to. If leave blank, device will connect to any IP. And then the fourth is IP MAC address. Specify the MAC address of the IP you want to set for connection to the registration. In this you can do to one to the interface one to either one, VLAN one, or something like that. Then you can use the SSID to and then security program and then apply. Okay, maybe that's all for me. So if there's a mistake, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.